The learned prosecutor dubbed the ruling party Awami League as fascist ab initio. From the very inception of independent Bangladesh, the Awami League government concentrated to perpetuate its power by way of exploitation, torture, killing, abduction, denial of democracy and fundamental rights of the people, freedom of press and speech, as well as social justice, and thereupon established dictatorship by forming Bhakshal. The then Awami League government, led by Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, planned in connivance with a neighboring country to weaken and abolish our glorious army, and thus formed Rakhi Bahini, an armed organized parallel to the army.
আরো ভালো ভালো খবর দেখতে সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন বাংলা হান্টের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বাংলা হান্টের আরো খবর দেখতে নজর রাখুন। বাংলা খবর মানেই বাংলা হান্ট।